Welcome to the project demonstration of power grid failure indication and alerting system by checking the voltage, current, frequency and temperature. And also it will send the SMS alerts to the registered phone number using this GSM module. So main application of this project is in power grid monitoring. The system continuously monitoring the four major parameters, that is voltage which is coming out from the grid, along with the load, how much of load was there on the particular grid, and also frequency which is coming out from the grid generators, and also temperature near the generator or feeders. So these four parameters are the main parameters to check the quality and maintenance of the grid, and these four parameters continuously monitored by the PIC microcontroller. And whenever the abnormality detected, the system will send the message alerts to the registered phone number. So these are the messages we'll get when the high voltage or low voltage or high current and low frequency, high frequency and high temperature. So these are the main conditions to send the message alerts. And also at the same time the system will control the circuit breaker which is representing with the help of this bulb, and that will be controlled through this electromagnetic relay. So these are the main features, and also continuously monitoring status on the LCD screen. So here the main components: frequency measuring purpose and varying purpose, we are making use of this 555 timer which is getting input from this potentiometer, and the voltage current directly by varying that using this potentiometer, and temperature from this temperature sensor. And this one is the LCD display along with the driver interfaced to the PIC microcontroller. We are using PIC 16F73, and here we have interfaced this four sensors respectively: A0, A1, A2, A3 pins, B2 to B7 for the LCD, and sending SMS alerts. This GSM module SIM800L interface with the pin number B0, B1, and relay board which is representing the controlling of circuit breaker interface with the pin number C7. And these are the main input connections, and this one is the main power source which will take 230 volts AC inputs and provide us the 5 volts DC output directly, which is the regulated power supply board. So the main purpose of the board is taking 230 volts AC inputs and provide us the 5 volts DC output, that is the operating voltage of our system. And here before demonstration we should insert a valid SIM card into the system. So you need to use other than Jio, Airtel or VI, and the notch should be like this as I shown here. So it is push to lock and push to unlock. Okay, insert this insert that in the pouch and push to lock and push to unlock. After we insert successfully, now we can on the power supply to the kit. And one more main important step is we should hold the system till it get the signal. See here, this is a reset switch to restart the microcontroller. Just on the power supply and hold the reset switch till the GSM will get the signal. So you can see the light is blinking very fast at 1 second of duration. Once it get the signal, the blinking rate will be slowed down. Till the duration we should hold the microcontroller, right? You can see it is slowed down. So till the duration we should hold the microcontroller to block the communication. Then only the system will execute the SMS service properly. Now you can release the switch after SIM card got the signal. Right? On LCD display we can see the parameters after SIM initialization successfully done. Right? So now so we got the message of high temperature alert. So where is the high temperature message alerts? So we said the temperature limits is 40 degrees centigrade. Whenever the temperature is above 40 degrees centigrade, then the system sends the message alerts. Coming to the voltage, the limits are 210 below, 245 above, and current is above 150 milliamps. Frequency is below 48 hertz or above 42 hertz. So just we set the limit for that. So whenever these abnormal conditions executed, then the system will send the message alerts to the registered phone numbers. Let us change the frequency. So 55, just again raise to back. Then only the circuit breaker will be controlled, and we will get the message alerts to the registered phone number. Right. So we got the high frequency alerts. So after everything set normally, then just we should reset the system.
So
So after successful reset, again it will check with the conditions. As we set the frequency very low, that's why again low frequency. Just change that to the normal. So you get low frequency message alerts. Again high frequency. Right. So we set it for the normal temperature, normal frequency, and let us increase the current. So slowly increase when it crosses the right. Again high current. So we'll get high current message again. So we set the again here is that, and again just increasing the voltage. So this is high voltage, and again once the message sent successfully, then we'll come back to the checking point. But here auto reset won't be there, as in electrical we don't prefer the auto reset, as it's not preferable. Why? Because while we are doing repair, so if the auto reset was done, then the person who is taking care of the repair section, they may get the voltages, and that leads to the shocking. That's why we disable that. Then after everything set was done, by seeing on the screen, then you can reset the system. Then it will check with the conditions, and again it will on the circuit breaker, means it will control the circuit breaker, right? So now everything is normal. And coming to the temperature, just we can increase the temperature. So when it crosses 40 degrees centigrade, right, and high temperature message alerts. So it will take maximum 4 to 5 seconds, right? We receive the message. So in this manner, the power grid failure will be intimated through the SMS, and also will be controlled with help of electromagnetic relay.